Welcome. In today's video, I am applying gold leaf for the first time ever. So if you see me do something incorrect, feel free to point it out. I think it turned out well, but this was not an easy project. First, these side pieces I'm working on and the feet, they were not difficult, but that statue made me wish I would have used paint. The statue turned out good, but it was excruciating at times, applying a 2D rectangle to an intricate 3D object. Now, the kit I'm using is from Barnabas Gold. It came with everything I needed: adhesive, gold leaf, and more. I did use my own lacquer instead of their supplied sealer. I've included the link in the description if you'd like to check it out. I don't make any money off this, but I just wanted to tell you what I used. It's imitation gold and needs sealed, which I did with the lacquer. But if I do another statue clock, I will probably try the Rub and Buff product line and compare the results. The gold leaf looks stunning on this and really pops in any room I place it in. I hope you enjoy this video. I've shortened it a lot and I appreciate you watching, and let me know what you think in the comments.